What's on, you guys? My name is Sketch, and I'm gonna show you in the car. There is the door. I'm gonna show you guys the child safety locks on your Chevrolet Impala, and as you can see, the handle is right there. We got the lock, and I'm gonna show you that there is a little dial. There's a little switch right there, and that locks the door. I'm gonna show you how. All right, guys. Okay, fans, I'm going to show you how it works. So first, I'm going to show you the latch first. I'm going to show you the latch before getting any further. So that opens the door. So you can see that. And yes.
Can you put me some water?
And I'm going to show you this, so it locks the door. Right. That. So it locks the door. I'm going to show you what happens. I'm going to show you on the inside, you guys, it locks. So you want to open the door, and you do the same thing. Just take the key and alright, then you close it. Then it opens. That's how the child lock works on your Impala. Peace out.